Hello everybody, today's problem is Volkswagen, and probably this problem can be with any Volkswagen or any even Audi car. Normally if you switch on ignition, just like that, pop it in, and you switch on the dash, as you can see, we had all lights on basically. In here you see the climate control, and then in 1 second, if you have dark night, everything goes off. I didn't touch the switch. Everything is completely off. In here is no lights, no nothing, everything is dark. And then normally you can switch the lights off, switch the lights on, and it comes on again. And everything looks perfect. But you can't do it every fucking 2 minutes. So that's the problem. And again, it's off. You can't drive like that at night time, definitely, because you can't see any of these, you can't see the speed, you can't see the engine RPM. And what the problem is, let's go ahead and see this. So, if you pop it in, then you can see there you have a bulb problem. Simply as that, yes. Actually, you might not believe it, but in our case, this solved the problem. You just pop out your old dyed bulb. So you always make sure you check all your light bulbs. You can check every of them. And we go on the back and see as well. But you have to make sure all the bulbs have to work. As you can see, it's on the top. And in here is on the top is nothing now. So that's the problem. Light bulb. So let's go ahead and try to put the new one. So let's just pop it in. And as you can see, yes, it's not lighting up. You're thinking, what the problem is? It's not lighting on. No, it's okay. Because you go ahead and switch off and on again. As you can see, dash is still dark. Just switch it off, wait a little bit, switch off ignition, make sure the central module is connecting on and off, switch on ignition, switch on the lights, and everything should be perfect. As you can see, everything is nice. And the light stays on, you can start the car, it's switching off and on again, it's normally. You have all lights, all dash, radio, buttons, everything is just perfectly. And you can even manage to make a darker or lighter the light. As you can see, you can do it with that one. And everything works just perfect. So go on the back and see what we have there. These Volkswagen Touran cars is pretty nice. And a little bit tricky as well. Because there is as you can see, there is one light there, and one on the top. So basically 3 in the time. This is your main lights. You will ask how to pop off the backlight. It's very simple. You must get that plastic off. It's clicking off pretty easy, and there you just have 2 screws and the light comes all the way out. No problem, you don't need to find anything behind here. Just that plastic, 2 screws, and it's out. And then you have a brake lights, which one goes actually like second. And then it's only lights on. And you can see here, let's watch on this light. You can see it's a little bit lighting, yes? And when you press the brake pedal, it lights fully, as you can see here. Switch it off, and it's off, and it's lighting just a fraction, just a little bit. And when you press down, you get the full brake lights. And that you go on both sides. But this one stays the same lightning. So make sure you have all those lights in the correct position. And yeah, 3 of them have to be okay. In this case, as you can see, we put in the new light and it's not lighting on. This is the tricky part because you need to switch it off and on again. Let's do it. As you can see, this is the old one. Switched off. And on again. And it's lights on, and as you can see, it's perfect. So I would say pretty easy and pretty tricky. So this one, as you can see, it's very nice lighting, but it's not on the full. So yeah, all this system works through the can line, and as you can see here, this is the bulb, which one is gone. In this point, I would say thanks for watching, and good luck with your light system faults. Bye. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe button. Click it right now if the video was helpful.